Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Phantom Kunai with an easy method. This incredible tool is a silent, swift throwing weapon, perfect for those who prefer a stealthy approach. We'll cover everything from acquiring it to mastering its advanced techniques, ensuring you can integrate it seamlessly into your gameplay. Get ready to enhance your tactical options and become a silent threat. First, let's get your hands on this fantastic weapon. You can acquire the Phantom Kunai from the special vendor located in the central hub. Make sure you have enough in-game currency, usually around 500 units, to complete the purchase. Once obtained, simply open your inventory and assign it to one of your quick access slots. This ensures it is always ready for action when you need it most. Now, let's dive into the basic attack techniques. The primary use is a silent, ranged throw. Simply aim at your target and release. This is perfect for taking down isolated enemies without alerting others. You can also use it to create distractions by throwing it at objects, drawing enemy attention away. For close encounters, a quick melee strike with the kunai can be surprisingly effective, delivering swift damage. For advanced users, the Phantom Kunai offers even more strategic depth. Try combining a kunai throw with a smoke bomb, throw the kunai, then deploy smoke for a quick, stealthy escape or repositioning. Always aim for enemy weak points to maximize your damage output and ensure swift eliminations. Its silent nature makes it ideal for thinning out enemy patrols or groups before you commit to a direct engagement, giving you a significant advantage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.